Kani gade Pati CTV.
Khaddo khadwai hadin ke jenge ap bon banai bantip no ya ke result la ki layo ban khai yu so ubajau ni ubathiang hne kasngi ki samla ki baladap ya ke Eksamin jong ka secondary school living certificate ne ke Matric bat ka higher secondary school living certificate Haka art stream ki layo ya ke khubor hadin bah ne kasngi ke arpulai tere ujamang Katnat Meghalaya Board of School Education ne ke embos kala pen banai ya ke result jong ki art li ki jingpule jong menta usnam arja khanyo Haba pasha ka Eksamin Matric Haka ni kasnam haka regular but private ki Khynnah ki don sanpo hajar khandai spa nyup sawngot baro ki balai kon ye kene ka Eksamin kat bana kini baro ki bala pas ki long tang arpnyo hajar san spa saw pnyon ka bala da khen kelum da ka percentage ka long tang san pusaw point not saw percent na padang kini baro ki bala pas ye kene ka Eksamin Matric ka Khynnah ka balong ka lado bat ka balayo bondo ki marks kadai ka duyu asung na ka skol St George Secondary School ka badan hanong mansong Shillong ka balayo marks hadu san spa an repupra bat kalayo ru ye ka distinction hakin totally ki subject.
And it's a big achievement because we could excel in that particular community. From that particular section, we could bring out somebody flying high. And it is the discipline. I have found this particular student, the discipline, the determination, the hard work. If you're ready for that, telling you frankly, you can.
Yes, from the beginning of the year, I just made up my mind that I want to focus on my studies. I used to spend very less time with my friends and more with books. And even after the school, I used to go for tuition, and after that homework. Then morning, wake up early. I wanted to achieve something. That's what I worked so hard. In school, I always comes first, so I wanted to maintain that level.
So achieving this now, being top 10, top of the top 10, is a great achievement for you, but you have worked for it and you think you deserve that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I think your parents, your family members have been also a great encouragement, helping you out in your aim to achieve this, to achieve success.
Yes, they have played a great role in my achievement. I think without their cooperation, I would not be able to achieve this. And mostly my parents' support and teachers' cooperation with me. I think they are the one whom I want to give this as a return gift. I think my friends too, because even they have never done those things which would disturb me. They were always standing by me, and they were with me through thick and thin.
During your study times, you must also have in mind how to allot your time. You must have time to play, time to eat, time to do some house chores, I'm sure. How do you manage to do that? Was it difficult for you?
Not that much, because most of the household works are done by my mom. She never allowed me to do such household works. Just she wanted me to focus on my studies. And I don't play outside much. I used to be with my books most of the time.
Then what will be your message to other students to encourage them?
I just wanted to tell them that hard work always pays off. So please work hard, be determined to your goals, and be with friends, but focus to your studies, because what you do today, you will get in your future. So I just want to tell them that be hardworking, listen to your parents' advice, then your teachers, because their advice are going to play a great role in your future, and have the perseverance to achieve something.
Habapai pacha ka Eksamin jong ka higher secondary school living certificate Haka art stream menta usnam haka regular kladan khatnyo jar praspa prangon ki samla ka balaya khon yekene ka Eksamin nakini baro ki papas ki long khat saw jar nyo spa prapusawngon bakan thop yaki khat khandai spa prapu arngot ki bala pas haka first division Henreu hajar si spa sau penjongot Haka second division, bat henreu hajar henreu spa san pusangot Haka third division. Haka non regular part kibaya kon yakini ke eksamen mentau snem kiladon lai hajar lai spa lai puprangot. Bat na kini kibala pas kilong tang si hajar si spa san penreungot. Bat na pedang jongki amsyam ladon kibala pas Haka kerdan first division. Henrei kibala pas kidai tang Haka kerdan second division kibala dan lai pongot barok. Bat Haka third division henreu spa kandai penjongot. Kat ba arspa sau pusangot pat kidai kibala pas henrei kibahap yakon biang yaki subject bagi fail. Watla ke Meghalaya Board of School Education kalau penbenaya ke tarek ban penbenaya ke result jungkini ki eksamen. Kabadai henne kesni ke arpulai tarek ujamang, henrei kat kum ke jengmi khubor nehi kesni. Lapau ru bagi ne ki result kila lat tu lupa nadu ke arpu tarek mentahi ubenai. Halor kini nak kalian katnat pulih putih ke jela kala thong nak kenhon ke bakar pang ban toket ye kini ke jeng lat tu ke result siwa kesni balabok tarek ban penbenaya ki.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV.